In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed an Excel file in Confluence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to upload, display, and share Excel spreadsheets directly on your Confluence pages. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to display your Excel file, then click Edit. Upload your Excel workbook by dragging and dropping the file onto the page or by clicking Files and Images and selecting your Excel file from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish before continuing. Next, place your cursor where you want the spreadsheet to appear. Type and search for Office Excel or the Excel Viewer macro available on your Confluence site. Then select it. In the macro settings, choose the Excel file you just uploaded. If the workbook contains multiple sheets, select the worksheet you want to display. You can also adjust the display options, such as the visible rows, columns, or viewing area, depending on the macro's available settings. Once you're happy with the preview, click Insert or Save to add the embedded spreadsheet to your page. Finally, click Publish to make the page live. Your Excel file will now be embedded in the Confluence page, allowing your team to view the spreadsheet without downloading it. That's how to embed an Excel file in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.